Did you ever sand a ceiling, drill through an old wall, or renovate a home and only later learn it might have contained asbestos? Home renovation is a documented source of asbestos exposure. Australian data found that among mesothelioma patients reporting non-workplace asbestos exposure, about half had been exposed during major home renovations. And you didn't necessarily have to be doing the work. Another 38% were bystanders who lived in the home while renovations were taking place. But one renovation does not mean you'll develop mesothelioma. Risk depends on factors such as what material was disturbed, the intensity of exposure, and how often exposure occurred. If you remember a significant past exposure, document what happened and discuss it with your doctor. And before cutting or sanding materials in an older home today, have suspicious materials properly evaluated for asbestos first.